National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Washita County in western Oklahoma, Northwestern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Custer County in western Oklahoma, southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, individual severe thunderstorms were located along a broken line extending from near Greenfield to 3 miles south of Thomaston near Butler, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Clinton, Watonga, Burns Flat, Geary, Thomas, Hydro, Arapahoe, Custer City, Butler, Foss, Bridgeport, Greenfield, Foss Reservoir, and Stafford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear the thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Indoors immediately. Southwestern Kingfish. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. 6:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe